Okay, got an Alba, which is part of the ASSA Abloy. I went ahead and cut it in half, so the other half's in here as well. It's a 5-pin. Here's the bitting. Not sure too much about this lock, but it there's no weight to it, and it may be an excellent lock, but it just feels, I don't know, I don't want to say cheap, but it just feels, it doesn't feel like a Abus or a Wilka or any of those. I'll put it to you that way. Lock works very smooth. It is locked up. It's a standard old lock. Nothing's been done to it. I am real curious what's inside it. And I know you can't really go by feel of a lock, but after I bought it off of eBay, I started thinking that maybe it's a patio type lock for patio doors. Alright, there's a little on one. Pick keeps getting stuck. It's 2. Five and 4. And it's open. So I'm curious what's inside of it, and to be honest, I don't really think there's anything spectacular inside of it either. But I have been wrong before, and I will be many times in my lifetime. Trying to straighten my phone up here on the tripod. Let's see what's in this thing. I do have a key, so let's go ahead and lock it up. Which, when I saw it on eBay and I bought it, it was mainly because I saw the ASSA Abloy. And I thought, well, it's going to be a pretty good lock to be an ASSA Abloy, being that company. Alright, all 5 key pins work. And like I said, I'm guessing it's going to be all standards. Standard. 2 standard. 3 standard, 4 and 5 standard as well. No need looking at the core or the Bible. I know there's not going to be any threading. 1 standard, 2 standard. That springs in my way. I'd probably send these out to new pickers, but experienced pickers, standard. Of course, I could throw some spools in it, thread a couple of chambers. And up standard. Now that I got that plug out, that feels like plastic. To be honest, I mean, it is light. I mean, I don't know what that's made out of, but it sure does feel like plastic. But it's some kind of metal. Where I cut it in half. Oh well, not sure. But here's this Alba. Nothing spectacular, all standards. Alright everyone, as always, be good, be safe, be legal. Thanks for watching, please subscribe. Have a good one guys, thanks.